So, I'm really giving you now, parang ano siya, owner's manual of your persona as a sales producer. May mga persona tayo, di ba? There's no such thing as the real you. Real mo ba? Natotoo mo. Merong ikaw, meron ako na sales person. Meron ako na manager. Meron ako na business partner. Meron ako na sports enthusiast. Meron ako na mother. Meron ako na daughter, sister. Wala na bang iisang ikaw, may isang ikaw ba? So your persona as a sales performer, ito yan, lahat. That you can work on. Wala to ako nakilala sinabi, lahat yan, okay nga ako na, wala pa. It's going to be a work in progress for all of us. Until now, I'm learning so many things para lalo pang mapaganda yung aking persona as a trainer. Para maintindihan ko lahat. Kasi ang tao, yan. Ang tao, moving target, tayo based sa ating experiences.